Okay, so once you're signed into your WordPress, on the left-hand side here, we're gonna go down to Pages. Here you can see all of the pages that are on your website, whether they are published or just drafts. We're going to choose our Trainer About page and say Edit with Elementor. The Elementor builder takes a minute to load. That's perfectly normal. Let it do its thing. Once it's ready to go, it will give you a preview of the page here on the right-hand side, and then all of the Elementor features or items that you might need from the actual builder here on the left-hand side. So let's say that I am changing up the bio for Ryan. So I can just click into this container of text and I can change this however I want to on the left-hand side. So I can go in here and I can say, hi, my name is Ryan, and here, let's delete the rest of this so we can actually see it. And I love working out. Now that's what his bio says right there, and we can see on the right-hand side here, it updates to what the actual page will now look like. Basically anything within the Elementor editor, you can click on and make changes to on the left-hand side here. So one thing to make sure of though is that these tabs across the top may give you extra features. So if you can't find something in the first section called content here, it might be under style. In this case, I want to change this apple to blue. So I'm gonna go to style, and now I can click on the color and change it to blue. On the right-hand side, now you'll see I'm getting a preview of this apple being blue. Once you're finished with all of the changes that you want to make to a specific page, you'll notice down here at the bottom, there's a big update button. You can click update and this will publish your changes to your website. So now if I go to, this is my live website, and I want to go to my trainer Ryan's About page, now we can see that his bio has been updated and that apple is now blue.